Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Children, today let us consider a real life example. I have developed a simple website for our school. The main page of the website of the school is also called as an index page or a home page. This is the home page of my school's website. The home page contains name of the school, the H.M. Patel English Medium School Dharmaj, then brief information about our school, this one. Then it also contains a menu for other pages or for calling other web pages. It should also contain school contact details. This is the menu. Now if I click on activities, various activities conducted in our school are shown. Competitions like drawing competition, singing and dancing competition, Sanskrit sloka recitation, English debate, Hindi essay writing, Gujarati elocution competitions are shown. Then functions like Shraddhanjali program, award day, annual cultural programs are conducted in our school. Celebrations like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, kite flying. Now I'll go back to the home page. Now when I click on notice, this one, this page contains information about the forthcoming programs and events. It also displays circular and notice for students and parents. For example, notice for sports day, essay competition, results are announced and so on. Here is a notice for students and parents for attending an event whereby a laboratory session will be arranged to practically demonstrate rainbow colors. This demonstration will be conducted on 20th July. Time is 9:30 am. Place is the H.M. Patel English Medium School Dharmaj, and the instructor who will be demonstrating is Mr. I.B. Patel. Click back. So these three links, home, activities and notice, I have created. Now children, your work is to create like this links for staff, which will contain school staff introduction along with photograph. Photo gallery is to be added. In this photo gallery, photos of school buildings and recent events are to be added. Then create links for various events conducted, then school contact details and so on. Children, these three links, home, activities and notice, are underlined and of purple color, which tells us that they are visited links. These four links, staff, photo gallery, events and contact, are underlined and of blue color, which tells us that they are unvisited links. And when I click on them, this link becomes red. An active link is underlined and of red color. See, like this. Here, when I clicked on staff, it doesn't show anything because they are left to be linked. Now back again. Now let us view the HTML code for this home page. Create a new file p21.html. Start of HTML, start of head. Then this title about my school will be displayed in title bar in the browser window, end of head, start of body section. Background attribute of body tag displays the background image. The heading of home page, the H.M. Patel English Medium School Dharmaj, we are going to write within H1 tag. We are going to center it with font faces Rave, size as 14, and we are going to highlight it with yellow color. So mark tag is used for that. Now in this paragraph, we are going to prepare 7 links to other web pages. These links are home, activity, staff, photo gallery, events, notice and contact. For preparing these links, we are going to use anchor tag. So when the user clicks on home link, p21.html file is executed. When the user clicks on activities link, p22.html file gets executed, and so on. So when staff is clicked, staff.html is executed. When photo gallery is clicked, gallery.html is executed. When events link is clicked, events.html is executed. When notice link is clicked, p15.html is executed. And finally, when the user clicks contact link, contact.html will be executed. These links are created in bold and font size is 7. Here, please note that ampersand ENSP is used to leave 2 spaces in between the links. Next, the heading about my school is written in center with purple color, font face as brush, script empty, and size, that is font size, as 8. After that, 2 paragraphs are written about my school with font face as Arial, font size as 6, and font color as green. This p22.html file will be executed when the user clicks on activities link. So create p22.html file. The title activity will be displayed in the title bar of the browser window. Next, the heading activities conducted in my school is written within heading 1 tag in blue color with font faces Harlow Solid. Next, within heading 2 tag, competition like is mentioned. Then, all 6 names of the competitions are written within pre-formatted tag to preserve the formatting, and they are written with red color and font size as 6. Here, also note that the background color of the activities page is given yellow. Next, within heading 2 tag, functions like is mentioned. Then all 3 names of functions are written within pre-formatted tag to preserve the formatting, and they are written with green color and font size as 6. Similarly, celebrations like are written within heading 2 tag. Then all 4 names of celebrations are written within pre-formatted tag with purple color and font size as 6. When notice link is clicked on the school homepage, then p15.html is executed. p15.html contains a notice for students and parents. This notice we have already created previously in this chapter. This is the home page, also called as index page of school website. It is created using HTML tags in file p21.html. This is the activities web page. It is displayed when activities link is clicked. It is created using HTML tags in file p22.html. This is the notice page. It is displayed when notice link is clicked in the home page of school website. It is created using HTML tags in file p15.html. So today we created a small and simple website for our school, that is for HM Patel English Medium School Dharmaj, having many web pages describing activities of a typical school. Thank you. Have a good day.